Unframed prints should always be packed flat and wrapped in a protective layer of craft paper, glassine, or mylar. Place the wrapped print on a sheet of cardboard, at least 2 inches wider than the print on all sides, and tape down the corners. Position between 5 to 7 additional layers of cardboard to make sure that the print doesn't bend while it's in transit. Tape both opposing sides together. Cover in a final exterior layer of cardboard secured with packing tape. Or pack in a larger box and make sure that any gaps are filled with crumpled paper or bubble wrap.